Shake Rag was just one of the neighborhoods there up in sort of mid Tupelo, really down in the heart of downtown area. Growing up in Tupelo, all of us were together most of the time because everybody that grew up in the Tupelo area went to Carver School, which was the African American school. The people over in Shake Rag seemed to be very close, and they was just kind of like one big family. People that I would say were leaders in the community that lived over there. Some of the school teachers lived over there. Some of the community leaders lived over there, and there was quite a few famous musicians lived over there. And I heard someone say that Elvis Presley would come over in that area. If you hear people talking about it now, it seemed to have stood out more than other neighborhoods. But it became a part of urban renewal, which covered all of the area where Shake Rag was located. And so I think Shake Rag has made a big impact on Tupelo when we have had other type of problems and racial unrest. Tupelo has been able to come to the table and work things out. Everybody was just working together, even if they weren't over in the Shake Rag area.